Alright, what is going on? Welcome back to another vlog. Today we don't have any cars coming in. We just have one drop off. But besides that, Ford just dropped off some parts. So hopefully we can start on Beasley's car again. And then finish up the Lightning, maybe. Or start it up tomorrow or something. I don't know. We'll see. But let's get this day started. Alright, well, we are very impatient. Well, I was a little patient. But pump came yesterday. So it's time to put it on my car today. Let's do it. Bob already have the pump on. We're just missing those 2 bolts and then connect everything and we should be good. So knock on anything, let's keep going. Okay, and not so long later, the pump is finally on. We just have one clip that we're having just a slight issue with. It's not fully clipping. It doesn't like fully click. It goes in but it doesn't click. So we're gonna figure this out and then pump should be ready. I'm gonna prime the car, start it, and then see what's up. I guess they're all watching. That means everything down there is good. Let's fucking go. Taking the idle log, gonna send it to Ryan, and then we're gonna see if he says I can water it or not. All right, we're going to water the car right now. So take over, Bob.
You know, XDI stuff. Let's see what's up here. Look at that car over there, yo. Yeah. I wonder if he got a pump too.
Alright, so pump is on my car. We've done a lot with the Lightning. Jay just knocked a lot of stuff out today. Me and Bobby went and picked up some stuff for the shop so we can start organizing tomorrow. And I think we're going to end the vlog today, finish it tomorrow, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, so what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the other part of the vlog. Today we have Mr. TJ's car outside. We have Mr. Gaylord setting up his stuff. So that means we are doing something custom with TJ's car. I am not really sure what we're doing, so not taking too much of your time. Let's get this day started, get some b-roll, and see what we're doing. Yeah, we got some goodies. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey Alexa, pause.
Make it a little easier to transport around, you know.
Damn, that literally fits right in like a exhaust box. Any of them.
Yeah, it should. Should be a lot easier to move too.
I have the CPE down here so we can test it out.
Hell yeah. I was gonna ask Josh about that too. See if there was anything he had here that we could try out.
Try it out, yeah.
Because I don't know, I didn't measure this one, and I didn't take the tip off yet.
Okay.
Because I guess the issue we're gonna have is from this connection here to this here is a little over the size of an average shipping box.
Okay.
So we're gonna step it down, take the tip off, and then offer a longer tip once all this gets figured out. So should be pretty cool when it's all done.
Hell yeah.
But
yeah. What are we doing with that green car?
I guess we're taking the mufflers off or putting mufflers on the straight pipe exhaust or something like that.
Yeah, because it's super fucking loud.
Is it?
Yeah. It's retarded loud.
I'm curious because loud Mustangs are like a different type of loud. So is that a 5.0 too?
Yeah,
It's okay. Yeah, so that thing should be normal.
I'll start it up for you.
All right, let's
go.
see. God dang, dog.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's not cold, so like.
It's a Prius. It's silent.
Loud as fuck.
Yeah, serious.
Yeah, of course. DJ in the cut. All right, let's start it up. We were supposed to turn it down. Now it just sounds good and loud. Alright, so what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the other part of the vlog. Today we are just working on the Lightning and Beasley's car. Nothing too crazy. I think we have one drop off today. Not sure what it's for, not sure when it's coming. But let's get this day started, get some B-roll, and let's do it. Actually, Bobby's just about to pull up. See? Oof. Damn. Oh,
you know, morning Celsius and wait, it gets better, bro. Come on, motherfucking boil one too. You know
damn, bro. Damn.
Yes, sir.
I see you're listening to that song I just put you on.
Yeah, bro. I might have or might not have added it to my playlist.
Yeah. Okay. All right, let's get this day started, Bob.
Detailing, 50/50 green, OCD up, blower size, we did most of that. Coolant reservoir fit, clear sight glass, did that. Crank sensor, upper plenum with gasket, did that. Lloyd intercooler, did that. Bumper grill install, bridge with spacers, serpentine, blower belt, radiator hose, did radiator hose. Hood, washer lines, that's all done. Headers, bolts, and gaskets.
Damn, boys, almost there.
Yeah, boost bypass valve and oil cap, both of those have been ordered. So those have been ordered. Yeah, so the only thing I have left to do is when we put the serpentine belt with, so bridge and spacers, serpentine belt, blower belt, that's all basically the same thing. Once that's done, then I get torque the water pump pulley bolts, so those will all be done. And then once all that's done, the only thing we have really to do is the fan rewiring, the boost bypass, and the oil cap. Oil cap goes there, boost bypass goes there, and this one little plug plugs into it, wherever the fuck it's dangling back there somewhere. There's a little red one. And then I just have to wire the fans.
Say less.
And put the fans in.
All right, next week, this thing's gonna start up.
Yeah, so I just messaged James and asked him if he thought maybe he could come on Friday or Saturday.
Say less.
So we'll see what he says. Possibly Friday. Bet.
What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the other part of the vlog. This is like the third or fourth day of this vlog. This whole week, we actually just have the Lightning and the RTR and Beasley's car on the schedule. So hopefully we can knock out the Lightning, knock out the RTR. RTR just has a few fittings that we're waiting on to arrive, and then we can actually button it up. It's like 4 hours worth of work. Lightning, I'm not really sure what's left, but I know it's not much at all. So hopefully this week we can get one, maybe both of them started without taking too much of your time. Let's get this day started. We got this boy Cody working here. Okay.
What's up, dude?
What you doing over there, bro?
Oh, wiring up a fan harness. Got it made on the fan side. Just got a tie. Of course, Ford uses the same color wires for literally everything, so that's sick. Big fan.
So tell us, what'd you do before?
I've done a little bit of everything. I came from a Ford dealer for a few years.
Okay.
I worked at Circuit Demon making custom headlights for a lot of years.
That means custom headlights for, you know, the Parker Performance people right there.
Yeah, we'll talk. We'll see what we can get set up. I've done more headlights than I could ever count, so it'd be cool to do something, offer you guys something cool. But yeah, see if we can't get this thing off the lift.
Let's do that, brother. Gonna be a long, long time. What up? Where are we going, Rick? All right, we are headed to Best Buy real quick here in Newport Richey. We're gonna see if they have an adapter for an SATA. I don't even know if it's called SATA or SATA, whatever the fuck it is. Yeah.
I don't know. Anyway, it's an adapter. We need to update the firmware on our Ninja 5 in order for us to create an output-input situation. That way it works. Anyway, this is all for the podcast. So these are like the final... Yeah. Ooh. These are the final stages of actually connecting the camera to the Ninja so it connects to the computer so that way we...
Alright, let's get it done.
Yeah.
Thank you, Youssef. I guess not. Shit.
Diarrhea.
Like this would help with the diarrhea for sure. You know that that's good for...
Activia!
It's got probiotic and shit. Helps with your stomach.
It has bacteria.
Bacteria, yeah. Like, you know what else does?
That blue cheese! That blue cheese, baby!
This shit's nasty. Did you see that video?
It.
Of course you did.
I watched it and I thumbs up. I loved it.
Did you?
Are you damn right?
Shut up.
Cheese is for men, son. I don't even use that. I use my fucking tongue.
Yeah?
Damn, I eat that whole thing on my tongue, dog.
Oh,
absolutely.
Don't say that in front of Bobby, bro. You gonna get riled up.
He probably already heard you.
Bobby already knows.
He's got it on repeat on his phone. On the ground where I was painting them, so that any overspray would land on the sheet. You know what I mean? As opposed to on my brand new epoxy floors.
Yeah.
Cool. So I'm doing it barefoot, and I'm spraying, and I keep coming in and out, you know, I'm out back in the pool, whatever, hanging out, coming in and out, in and out. I go to take a shower finally when I'm done, and my feet are caliper color. Because all that overspray that had been landing on my sheet, I'm walking around barefoot on. And so I'm like, oh, well, I'm gonna go take a shower and clean that all off. So I hop in the shower, start cleaning, and it's paint, so it's not coming off. So I yell for my wife, and I'm like, hey, why don't you run and go get the brake cleaner real quick for me? So she goes, give me the brake cleaner. So I'm in the shower, and I'm like this, standing in the shower, and I'm like, squirt, squirt, squirt. Yeah, perfect, all good. Getting it off, okay? Getting it off, squirt, 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 getting it off, okay? Well, it's been a long day. It's been hot. I'm gonna sit down and relax. So I'm gonna take a seat.
Oh, right where you just sprayed it.
Right where I just sprayed, and my old balls just go plop onto the tub where all that brake clean had just been, where I just been spraying all the paint off my foot. And I'm spraying brake clean in a fucking tub environment.
Yeah.
With no fan going. So I'm getting really queasy, and I'm like, oh man, my balls are getting hot. Whoa, what is, I realize I've got it in my ass crack and in my ball sack. Woo! You don't ever want brake cleaner in your butt crack or in your ball sack.
I'm gonna let you end it, Rick.
You want me to say it?
Yeah, let's go.
That's hilarious. Alright guys, well that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. As you guys heard outside, don't get brake cleaner on your balls or in your butt crack. Take it from the man himself. But stay tuned for all the vlogs that we're going to be doing. Shout out to that man right there behind the camera, Youssef, for the getting after it and getting this shit done. If you guys enjoy these vlogs, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, tell your mama, your grandmama, anybody, and then we'll see you on the next one.